Hey guys, welcome to Caleb Review. In today's video, we are going to be discussing why copywriting is very important if you are an email marketer or an affiliate marketer. Please kindly like, subscribe and share with your loved ones. Without wasting much of our time, let's get down to business. What is copywriting? Copywriting can be said as the act of writing persuasive and compelling text that motivates people to take a specific action. Now, we are going to be discussing how important copywriting is in email marketing and affiliate marketing. With copywriting, you are going to be able to grab your customer attention to read through your post. Like whenever they see your headline will be the first thing they're going to see. So when they see the headline, they read it and it's got their attention, they will be willingly to read more about your copy. That is why copywriting is very important in affiliate marketing or email marketing. Secondly, copywriting can be used to build trust with your customers, because when you learn copywriting, you are going to know the basic skills on how to build your relationship with them, how to tell them that this product you are telling them about really works, and the side effects of the product, everything about how the product works. You'll be able to compel it in a very short sentence that doesn't look lengthy, and your customer is going to be like, oh, this is not very long, let me just take a look at it. After taking a look at it, they are going to say, yes, this is the perfect thing I'm looking for online, and they are going to take action. Third on my list is that you are going to know how to highlight benefits, because not everybody knows the difference between benefits and features. There are a lot of customers out there promoting the same product just as you, but with copywriting, you'll be able to highlight the benefits and the features of the product, how the product is going to help them achieve a goal within a certain time of amount, because not everybody want to just buy products. They want to know what the product is going to get for them. They only care about themselves, they never care about you. So with copywriting, you'll be able to highlight the benefits and differentiate the features from the benefit, so that you'll be able to stand out among others. They're going to say, yes, this guy knows what he's doing, and yes, this is the product I've been looking for a very long time. Last but not the least, you'll be able to create urgency on all your products you're promoting, how to put limited time offer on your product, and how to get them to click even though they don't have the money to purchase at that moment. They are going to bookmark it and come back for later. With urgency, you'll be able to get their attention very easily. They are going to be willing to purchase within a short period of time, like 3 slots available, price is going up at so time. They'll say, oh, they don't want to miss that offer. With copywriting, you are going to know how to craft irresistible offer. All offer are good, but you as a copywriter or as an affiliate marketer promoting that product, or an email marketer, your work is to make the offer look irresistible. That thing, you have to add more bonuses. But without copywriting, you won't know how to add those bonuses that is going to get your customer attention. They will just look like, oh, this is the same product I've been seeing all the time. So you have to make it look like this offer is a one-time offer and they are not going to see it any other place. You see why copywriting is important in affiliate marketing or email marketing. In conclusion, with copywriting, you'll be able to generate a lot of sales, build your list, and make them take action immediately without wasting much time. If you find this video helpful, please do well to like, share and subscribe with your loved ones. See you in my next video. Bye.